kainit. Or a little something for my tummy with my favorite girl. So this is my kiddo. Ay, sorry girl. Si Uniara, who just got her first non-sedated extraction yesterday. She's so brave. Should I eat? Okay. So,
But you are not actually. So there's no camera.
there's a camera girl. And, this is waffle. So, just created
I'm
it
playing
here.
with my phone.
Did you?
I'm playing with my phone.
Okay. Did you eat the waffle? This is not chocolate waffle anymore. Actually, I like the chocolate waffle. Please eat your... Need to eat that, eh? Oh my god. I forgot my tumble in the morning. So this is a skin probiotic. Here. It's Senesa. My brother, this is my brother's gift. He bought it from the US and then dala it here. So I've been taking this, I don't know, maybe for 1 week now to help with my psoriasis. There was actually a time that I thought okay na din siya because there was this moment last Thursday or Wednesday was it that my groin psoriasis has really cleared up and I didn't feel any itchy and all, so I thought it's gone, but
It has gone back because of our.
because of what? Because I got stressed, so
Because of our.
it's a bit of a little thing, but yeah, the trigger is art because Friday I was really busy, right? Last week was really busy with so many assignments in school, and also I'm busy with just also busy with pick up, drop off and pick up with the kids, and I also have my period, so there's a lot of things there, but I was really happy that on Thursday it cleared up, and I was like, oh, the Skinessa, the probiotic must have been doing its thing, and then suddenly Friday, I got really upset, like a whole lot of things. So I was upset with the husband because for me he was very slow. I wanted him to drop my Onyara early, always early. I wanted her to be on at school at 7 a.m. So I got angry because it seems that my husband doesn't have this sense of urgency. And then when finally they're out of the door, I started doing my assignment. So I turned on the TV for my 2-year-old. So she was watching Dr. Binos. It was the volume is 20. You know, the volume of our TV is actually up to 100. We've never been played it.
Actually, I played it from
Oh really? You played it?
100 once and then 100. And I was like, I wrote it down.
Yeah.
And our neighbor wasn't allowed to go there, knocked on the door because he only heard kid movies.
Okay. But that was also Dr. Binox last Friday. So it was just, and then I was focused with my assignment, and then Anyana, I was happy, a little bit happy because Anyana was focused on Dr. Binox, and then suddenly someone like called, knock on the door, our door was open like that, and the window was open, and like our neighbor, the neighbor across the road, like I just don't understand how our low volume TV, which was 20, I couldn't even hear it ra- clearly. So, and the kids want it loud, especially for Anyana. So, yeah, and it's like, when I went out, it's like, Mom, sabdon di ka no? Like, and I feel really, I don't know, it feels like he was reprimanding me, and like, in my mind was like, who is this person? It's like he's so high and mighty telling me that, like, Ma'am, only akong paano. It made me feel like what they're doing is more important than what we are doing. So, yeah, and if I had been the same person like before, I would have, lashed out and all that, but I didn't. I was like, it's okay. So I turned the volume level down, and that made my little bit, unstable, and I just lost all the some energy to do with my assignment. And I know it's like with all these things happening, it's really more of your reaction, right? And I'm also a bit guilty because I let that incident get to me, and like it's hanging with me. Like whenever I go out, it's like grr, I have this grr feeling, and I just don't understand. Like, we're not abusive. We don't even have video okay. We don't video okay in our house, and we're very considerate,
but I
and
video
that's what we get.
I'm
Yeah.
the one who video keys.
Okay. So I think I don't know. In my mind, the maldita part of me is like, oh, so you think our TV is loud? Then wait for what is loud. So gonna just annoy them because they're very annoying already. So, and it's not just me. Most of the household that's around them, they're like always, please lower your volume down. You know what? If you're always like that, sometimes no. What I could think about this is there's the story of, I know it's been circulating in Facebook or something. I've read it somewhere that there's this person is always saying, um, why is our silingan putting on dirty clothes on the clothes line? But and what really happened was their window was the one who is dirty. It's not really the silingan. So, um, I don't know. I hope these persons think and reflect amongst themselves if they feel like everybody's noises are loud. Maybe they just need to, instead of um, what do you call it? Instead of being inconsiderately feeling, letting the other neighbors, or letting most of their neighbors feel like they'd have to stick to around them the loudness and all. Of course, this is a community, right? We're not abusive, especially for us. We don't really abuse, um but at least they will just have some a little consideration as well. So maybe they could just soundproof their house, and maybe do an investigation why their house is so susceptible to noises. And if they really, 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 really think that they're very busy like that, then go ahead, close your door, soundproof your house so that you don't hear what's happening outside. And I tell you, this area here, this is very near the amenities, and once it's done, it's gonna be louder. So brace up. And
Yeah, yeah, revenge.
no revenge, baby. It's just revenge is bad, okay? Sit down properly, please. Do not revenge. Did you see mommy taking revenge? No.
You're
So,
just a good and kind mommy, but sometimes you're bad.
of course, I have a temper. People have temper. Yeah.
I actually have a real
You have a real temper?
If I
Oh.
get so mad, if anyone if anyone hurts you, I'm really getting.
Yeah. You need to work on that, you know. I also had a temper when I was young. And way worse temper.
The,
And imagine if I still have a temper, I would have
Mommy, how
Plot
to
it.
spell forest?
how why don't you try? Why don't you try?
I tried spelling flowers.
We're almost there. You just far you just the switch the T and the S. So now it's forest. For now it's red forests.
T, what did you say?
Switch the S and the T. See?
Yes.
Forest. Okay. Sit down properly, please. Ate, do you see mommy sitting like that? You need to be like a lady, please. I also see you sitting like that in school. That's not very good. Let me understand why you're sitting like that.
Look.
Wait.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that's it. And it's Sunday.
Mommy, look. I said this is a forest.
Mm-hmm.
And then look, you can go here and then there's a little pond and it's actually
Oh.
a forest.
What's that? It's a forest with a pool?
No, it's a forest. Not a forest. This is a little pond where you can put and this is the flower.
Okay.
And
So you're
look,
not making
and
houses
this-
anymore, you're making recreation parks?
Look, and these this is a lake. You can clean the lake.
Okay. I'm gonna get the kuan, I'm gonna sublay you with.
And there's even trees. I hope no one
Sit properly, please.
I hope no one